You can't squat as deep as me, and that's okay. I'm built different, I'm kidding, but everyone's body is different and their squats can vary. People have different goals as well. Hi, I'm Jeffrey, physical therapist, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will help you guys achieve a deeper squat. In general, I recommend everyone to be able to squat to parallel. The deeper you go, the more you are able to activate the glutes. Many of my elderly patients have difficulty getting up from lower surfaces, so no matter what age you are, you can benefit from being able to squat deeper. I'm going to keep the tips simple and straightforward for you guys. Number one, to get a deeper squat, you have to squat more and make sure you're getting to your deepest depth each time. Whether you're doing a barbell squat or a hack squat, make sure the weight is not too heavy so that you can get down to your deepest depth each time. You can play around with feet positioning. Slightly wider stance and foot turned out usually helps you get lower. If you're currently not squatting with any weights and want to squat deeper, you can start by holding on to something for support and get to your lowest point and just hang out there. Spending more time in your deepest squat position is key. Number two, increase ankle dorsiflexion range. Lack of ankle mobility is the most common culprit for limiting people's squat depth. Dorsiflexion is the range in how much you can move your foot towards you and how much your knees can go past your toes. When your foot is at 90 degrees, it is in neutral position. Normal dorsiflexion range is about 20 degrees. Here's a quick assessment. Place your foot one hand width away from the wall, then try to touch your knee to the wall without lifting up your heel. If you can't do that, then you can probably benefit from improving your ankle dorsiflexion. There are lots of different ways to stretch your calves and improve that ankle mobility. In sitting, using a belt or a long towel, standing propped against a wall or off a step, you can place your foot on a higher surface and lean onto that ankle to mobilize that way. Number three, improve your hip mobility. If your hips are tight, you may not be able to get deep enough and your low back may start to round as a compensation. Here are a couple exercises to try. In sitting, keep your knees apart and hinge forward from your hips as far down as you can without rounding your back. You can try the 90-90 hip mobility on the ground. If those are too difficult, you can lie on your back and hug one knee at a time and rock them side to side. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. Try out the tips and let me know if you guys start to see progress. Give this video a thumbs up and thank you guys for watching. Click here to see what exercises you can do at your desk to stay moving.